Hey everyone, this is a really quick tutorial on how to download Thunderstore and be able to access mods for any game, not just including R.E.P.O, but in this specific instance we're going to be doing R.E.P.O related stuff. You're just going to go ahead and go to whatever search engine you're using, type in Thunderstore, click on whichever link pops up first. Both of these are through the same thing. Thunderstore is a side app of another application called Overwolf. Overwolf is a fairly trusted and reputable modding related app. So you're just going to go ahead and go get app. You're going to download Overwolf. It's going to bring it to your downloads. You'll open the file. It'll run you through some side steps. You're going to say yes. You're going to go ahead and install it wherever, whatever local thing you want to do. You create a desktop shortcut if you'd like. A tongue twister. Make sure to check that you're old enough to be able to do this stuff. You don't have to do any of the side apps that it's going to talk to you about. It's going to go through. Download and install times obviously vary from person to person based on both your network connection and your computer. If possible, it'd probably be smarter to get this done in advance than waiting until, the time when you're supposed to play with everyone. Just throwing that out there for sanity's sake. After it's fully installed, it'll go ahead and pop open. When it launches, it'll also launch Overwolf because, like I said, it's an app within Overwolf. The first launch will look like this. It'll go ahead and tell you Thunderstore, whatever version number at the top of the screen. You're going to go ahead and search for, in this case, let's do R.E.P.O. You'll click on what game that you're going to choose. Or if you want to make things easier on yourself, you could do R.E.P.O. You could You could press star right here in the corner, and that'll save this as a preferred. So if we go out of a search menu, R.E.P.O now shows up on our top list of games that we want to play modded. Right? For any games that you want to save that you regularly will play modded, that's what you're going to go ahead and do. You're going to select your game. And in this instance, I already have a mod here, but because you will probably not have a mod, what you're going to have to know next is how to import a mod via a file or a code string. Okay, so it sounds more complicated than it is. If you followed to this point, all you do is click on import update, and you do from code. And whatever the mod pack is, the person who's created it will be able to create a little code. It's just, I think I might have it here. Nope. It's like a 20-something digit little code, so you'll be able to copy it, paste it into here. If I can get into here, share. This is the code for this mod pack, for example. Go ahead and copy it, and then you'll be finding it in another location, right? So, Discord, via DM, what have you. You'll copy the code, click import update, you'll go from code, and then you'll just copy and paste the code, continue, and it'll automatically tell you everything that's a part of the pack. You'll import, and you can choose to import a new profile if this is a mod pack that you've never used, or you can do update an existed one if your friends or what have you have updated a pack that you've used previously with one or two mods. In this case, I will do import new for your guys' sake. I'll have to change the name because I already have a mod pack under this name type, but you can change this to whatever you want it to be. I'll put 2. And bada bing, bada boom, we have our basic R.E.P.O mods for quality of life 2. To access the mods, you have to launch the game from Thunderstore, which to do so, you click on the profile. In this case, we'll do the one that I just updated and imported. I'll click select profile. It shows you the list of all the mods here, and I will click up in this corner. There's vanilla and modded. In order to launch the game with all of the mods, you have to choose to select modded, which will launch the game, as well as a little scripter. It's this window right here. It's the thing that handles all of the mod loading. So, don't exit out of this. Just let this run in the background, minimize the window. And then you'll have, let's see if I can do this really quickly without crashing this. You will have a modded version of R.E.P.O. launched and ready for somebody to send you an invite so you could join their game. Thank you very much, and I hope this has been helpful.